Honda's Lane Keeping Assist System, or LKS, is an advanced safety feature that helps keep your vehicle centered in its lane. This system uses sophisticated camera sensors mounted behind your rearview mirror to continuously monitor lane markings on the road. LKAS operates automatically when you're driving between 45 and 90 miles per hour on highways with clearly visible lane markings. It works as part of Honda's comprehensive sensing suite, integrating seamlessly with other safety features like collision mitigation and adaptive cruise control. There are two main methods to temporarily disable LKAS when needed. The first and most common method is using the Dedicate LKAS button located on your steering wheel. Simply press and hold this button until you see the dashboard indicator light turn off. The second method is available on 2020 and newer Honda models through the infotainment system. Navigate to Settings, then Vehicle, then Driver Assistance, where you can toggle LKAS off through the menu system. This method provides the same temporary disabling function. Important safety reminders: both methods only disable LKAS temporarily. The system automatically resets to the on position when you restart your engine. Remember that LKAS is assistive technology. You must always remain engaged and ready to take control. While disabling LKAS may improve comfort in construction zones or on rural roads, it does reduce your crash protection. Some Honda models offer semi-permanent LKAS disabling through the Multi-Information Display, or MD. This method allows the setting to persist between driving sessions in certain vehicles. Access the mid settings using the steering wheel controls. Navigate to Vehicle Settings, then select LKAS options. Unlike temporary disabling, some Honda models will remember this preference even after restarting the engine. Important note: this semi-permanent option varies by model year and trim level. Always consult your owner's manual to confirm availability in your specific Honda vehicle. Before disabling LKAS, consider the important safety implications. Disabling safety features may impact insurance claims, and Honda emphasizes that LKAS is designed as a supplemental safety system, not a replacement for attentive driving. According to 2024 IIHS data, lane-keeping systems reduce single-vehicle sideswipe and head-on crashes by approximately 11%. This represents a significant safety benefit that drivers lose when disabling the system. The future of lane-keeping technology is rapidly evolving. Honda and other manufacturers are developing enhanced customization options, allowing drivers to adjust intervention sensitivity and timing to match their preferences. Future developments include vehicle-to-infrastructure communication, AI-enhanced lane guidance with learning capabilities, and more granular control over system behavior. These advances aim to make lane-keeping assistance more intuitive and less intrusive. Before disabling LKAS, take time to understand how the system works and when it provides the most benefit. Consider situational disabling for specific conditions rather than permanent shutdown, and regularly reevaluate as software updates may improve functionality. Remember that LKAS technology continues to evolve. What may seem intrusive today could become more refined with future updates. Making informed decisions about safety features helps ensure you get the maximum benefit from your Honda's advanced driver assistance systems.